Gentlemen, we have a 60 kVA, the whole of the inverter here. As you can see, this section, what we did, we make this side this 4 kVA, and this 5 kVA 4, 5 kVA, 5 kVA, 5 kVA, 5 kVA. So we power all of them to share equal load. So in my video, I think I've shown you people how to power it. So this 20 kVA, we make it to be one phase. So then we have these two systems. These two systems, they are hybrid, 10 kVA hybrid, 10 kVA hybrid. You can see. So we power two of them to make 20 kVA so that they can equally share the load. Then we have one controller there. As you can see, this is one controller. This controller is also for this 10 kVA. As you can see, this is 10 kVA and this 10 kVA. This 10 kVA, they are not hybrid. They are non-hybrid. One of them is using that type controller, but one of these inverter doesn't have it's not using any charge controller. And beside we configure it for to charge, because the reason why doing your design, you have to calculate your charging current, what is going to charge your battery. You can see we have this also 25 kilowatt lithium battery. We have 25 kilowatt lithium battery. We have 5 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This total of 125 kilowatt. The total is 125 kilowatt. This 125 kilowatt, you need to do your calculation to know what size of generator is going to charge it, what size of how are you going to get your charging. So now you can see our battery is already on 100%. So you have to calculate your panel. Okay, how many wattage of panel that am I going to use to charge my battery during the day. This setup is for a computer. It's a computer design made to carry up to about 10 ACs at a time, 10 to 12 AC, and the other appliance at home. Maybe if you also have any other industrial equipment like 3-phase equipment, you can carry it, because we have already designed it. The reason why we design this phase, each phase, single phase, 3-phase, because in 3-phase, sometimes you might power your inverter to become 3-phase. If you have challenge on your phase failure, you have a phase failure in your supply, remember you are going to have a challenge. So that is why we designed this phase, single phase. If there's a challenge on design, on phase failure, they will still be working, but that particular line will still be working on battery while there's no problem. So guys, as I said, these are the control box. This is our protection system, our DC breaker and AC breaker. This is our surge protection, just like that. And then this other one, you will have to size the rating of your PV. Then that determines the type of breaker that you are going to use. In this, because of the compartment of how congested this room is, this place is hot. There is no AC, and there's also a window. There's also a window blind here. So what you are going to do, see what you will do. You need a extractor fan. We have different type of fan. Just remember, there are different type of fan. What you are going for an extractor fan to extract the heat inside the room temperature, also that the room temperature will be okay for the inverter. We have two here. This is one extractor fan, and this one extractor fan. I'm going to on it. So, and then we also have one fan, industrial fan. Mark it, if you are using normal domestic fan, you are going to have challenge. It's going to every two weeks or every 2 weeks you'll be changing your fan. So what next you need to do? We have a dongle here. This dongle that is here, you can view from any part of the world as far as you have Ethernet. This is our Ethernet. We have our Ethernet here. You have to choose the best network that is suitable in your environment.